Hi everyone! Let's see the last part of our phonic sound series. Sound of letter W is W. For example, well, watch. Letter X has two sounds. First one is kus. For example, box, mix. Second one is z. Xerox. Example. Sound of letter Y is y. For example, yoga, yellow. Sound of letter Z is Z. For example, zoo, zebra. Thanks for watching.